In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use a cauldron in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. Before you begin, make sure you already have a cauldron ready to use. Once you have it in your inventory, choose a good spot on the ground where you want to place it. Stand in position, select the cauldron, and place it down just like any other block. After it is placed, you are ready to start using it. The next step is filling the cauldron. A cauldron can hold different materials, depending on what you want to use it for. You can fill it with water, lava, or powder snow. To do this, you need the correct bucket for the material you want to add. Select your water bucket, lava bucket, or powder snow bucket, then interact with the cauldron. This will pour the contents into the cauldron and fill it. Water is one of the most common uses for a cauldron. After the cauldron is filled with water, you can interact with it to collect water in smaller amounts. For example, you can use glass bottles to take water from the cauldron and turn them into water bottles. This is useful when you need bottles for brewing or other tasks. In some cases, you can also use a bucket to take the liquid back out, depending on the type of liquid in the cauldron. If you fill the cauldron with lava, the process is similar. Use a lava bucket on the cauldron to fill it, then interact with it when you want to use or remove that lava, if your version and item allow that action. The same idea applies to powder snow. Use a powder snow bucket to place it into the cauldron, then interact with the cauldron again when you want to use the contents. The main thing to remember is that the cauldron works as a container. You place it first, fill it with the liquid or material you want, and then interact with it using the correct item to collect or use what is inside. If something does not work, check that you are using the right bucket or bottle for that specific material. Once you understand that basic process, using a cauldron in Minecraft becomes very simple. Place it, fill it, and interact with it as needed for water, lava, or powder snow. That covers everything you need to know.